Hey guys, just wanted to welcome you back for another video. And today is another release day in addition to the Glitzy Treasures video that you will have seen by this point. Today is also pre-order day for Dawn's limited edition advent calendar that she put together for this year. And let me get all the information out to you that you need to know, as well as I will have it down in the description box with all the links, all the usual links and stuff like that. So, again, today is the pre-order or the start of the pre-order for the limited edition. And I do mean limited. So if you are interested at all in Dawn's advent calendar, you're going to not want to wait. So from the 1st through the 4th, so starting today through the 4th, if you pre-order it in this time frame, you can get it for an early bird price of $22.99. If you order after the 4th, then you will get it for the original price of $25. And the reason that it needs to be pre-ordered early is because of shipping. There has to be enough time to be able to get it wherever it's going to go, because if you live outside of the UK, you want to make sure that you have enough time to get it, at least as much as possible. So that way you have it in time to start doing the calendar, at the beginning of December. And also, it's important to note that starting December 1st, Dawn has a whole series of videos for each day of the calendar. So you're going to want to check into that. And she divided up she divided all the days up of the calendar between us on the design team. So the days I received were the 1st, the 3rd, and the 7th. And I'm not going to be doing any videos today. The videos that I'm filming for this, they will come out on the days that I received in the kit, meaning I'll get December 1st video up on December 1st, in addition with Dawn's video for the Advent, then the 3rd and the 7th, so on like that. So you won't see me making anything with it today, but I will show you what I have received for the days that I am going to be making. So again, don't wait, because it's going to be limited and it's going to probably go really, really quick. So if you really are interested in getting it, you might want to hop over there now. And her website is www.shinysilvertreasures.com. Again, I don't mind if you want to stop here. You can go click that link now and hop over and get yours ordered. And then you can always come on back and finish getting a look at the days that I have. So again, www.shinysilvertreasures.com. So for day one, what I have received, that project is a cute little cross-stitch project of a Christmas bird. I think it's a robin, but it's a Christmas bird with a tree branch and some holly leaves and berries. And then the little bird has a cute little Santa hat. So that is a little mini embroidery project. And you also can turn it into a little card, which I think is really cool. I'm definitely going to do that. You could do other things with it. You wouldn't have to make it as a card, but I'm going to be good. And I think it'll be fun for this to actually follow the instructions. So it looks like you get the outside card base that has the window portion where you will see the embroidery embellishment through. And then there's like an insert that you could add to the inside where you can, if you want to stamp or write your holiday message, you can do that on the inside, and then it all fits into this card envelope. And this is the size of the panel that you're going to end up with. So this is it's a little bit bigger to give you room for working, but it's roughly the size of the image on the little paper for the kit. So there is no image on here, but just because I am not really familiar with cross stitch, this is I think the last time I did anything with needles or cross stitching or anything like that was I was about 12 in our home economics class that we had in middle school. So it's been a minute since I've picked up a needle and thread. So I think for my sake, I'm going to see if there's a way that I can lightly trace the image onto the little embroidery piece. I don't know what you call it. I apologize what the technical term would be, but it's the little piece of the fabric or the embroidery piece that you are going to sew into. I'm going to lightly see if I can draw this image on there, because I think if I don't do that, I'm going to have issues with making it look like a bird. So anyway, that's a little mental side note. If I am able to pull it off, I'll be sure to include that in the video when I put it out for December 1st. Because yeah, I think without having some kind of a guide, it's going to look hilarious. It'll probably look like anything but a bird. But it's going to be fun to give it a go. It's going to be, oh my goodness. So, all right. So in the kit, card bases, so you can put together a little card with an envelope. You get all the colors of the thread that you need, and I believe the full amount of thread that you need for the embroidering. You get an embroidery needle, and there's a little piece of felt that it comes in, so that way you can just pop it in there, and so that sorry, my brain is having collisions. You can pop it back into the thread or into the felt when you're done, so you don't lose the needle and any thread that might be still on it if you put it down for the day or whatever. And then you get an image with the little chart to tell you what kind of a stitch you're using, what color you're using, all of the instructions that it's coded here on the image. The chart is on the back telling you what it is, telling you which color you use where. Here's the stitch symbol for what you're doing, in terms of either doing, it's like the cross stitch or the back stitch. And then it tells you the number of lengths that you need. And then again, here's a little visual chart. There's a small section down here that tells you to sort out your threads, like you want to get everything ready to get it all laid out, and then when you're ready to go from color to color, you don't have to pull or hunt and peck for the color that you need out of this bundle of the embroidery thread. Just separate it all ahead of time will make it a lot easier. So that is what is included in day one. This is day one's project for Dawn's Advent Calendar. So let me tug that all together so I don't lose it. And I'm going to put it back here and kind of move it out of to the side. Then for day 3, which is the next day that I received, is a fun little, it looks like a little mini Winter Wishes card making kit, because these are the papers that Dawn put out last year for her Winter Wishes collection. And you have 2 card bases that come in it. They're just under 6x6s. So that way the should fit into the envelope no problem. Even if you put up a little bit extra dimension with the embellishments on here, you've got enough space in the envelope. You should be able to get it in there no problem. So like I said, you get a small sample of Dawn's Winter Wishes papers, 2 card bases with envelopes. You get some Christmas stickers. They look like snowmen. I think they're all snowmen, but when I get to the part where I'm making this for the December video, you'll get more in-depth. You'll see everything a little bit better in there, because right now this is just a quick overview and getting the pre-order information to you. So there are also pre-cut sentiments, and there's a whole bunch of different pre-cut embellishments that Dawn has put in a pack for you. So this is day 3, and this is just a little embellishment kit with card bases and paper to make a couple cards. So that is the day 3 project. And let me put that to the side. I try to keep everything opened or as ready to go as possible, just to cut down on noise, because I know the crinkling can be pretty loud sometimes. So, all right, final day that I received was day 7. And this is, you have the option, you can make a little gift box, you can make embellishments, and it comes with a pre-cut gift box for you that includes some twine. You get some embellishments here that you can make. You have some ribbon or some wire, and there's also some silver glittery tooling, or tooling ribbon, I guess you could say, that you can also use as an embellishment. And this is really fun. I really like the jingles. Yep, I might have to utilize the jinglies. So like I said, this is for day 7. And again, you will not see the video of me making any of this stuff until I get to the corresponding days in December. So hopefully I'm speaking, coherently, where you can follow what I'm saying. But just fun, cute little projects for the Advent calendar. So definitely stay tuned. And like I said, if you want to order this, don't wait, because it is extremely very limited. And I really have a feeling that they're going to get sold out really quickly. So that is day 7. So let me, just as a recap, bring back in days 3 and day 1 while I wrap up this video. So day 1 was a cross stitch set, just a tiny one, a small card making set, and then it looks like you can make embellishments as well as a gift box. So that is what I have received for the Advent calendar, and these videos will come out on those days in December. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, go hit that link for Dawn if you want to pre-order this. Grab it now, especially for the early bird price of $22.99 from today the 1st through the 4th. But if you can't get there until after the 4th, then the price would be $25. So in the meantime, you guys take care, stay safe, and I will meet you for this project back in December.